A castle for a queen, the prettiest ever seen.
Baba! Mine! Mine! Wait, Dudu. We need the magic word to make the fun begin.
When you want a toy to play, there's a magic word to say. Just say please, it's the magic key.
Puede?
Good job, Dudu!
Here you go! Dudu, can I have the starfish, please?
When a friend is kind and true, there's a word for me and you. Say thank you.
Danko, Juju.
Wake up, farm friends. Time to shine.
Oh no, Dudu. Look at these tiny sugar bugs. Open wide, like a lion's pride.
The brushy brush goes. Up and down, where the sugar bug hides.
Scrub the front and scrub the back.
Don't forget the corners way in the back. Deep in the ocean, what do we see? Come and explore the blue sea with me. The megalodon swims with a giant toothy grin, waving his tail and his bright mosasaur splashes with a prehistoric glow, watching bubbles grow. The elasmosaur neck is so long and so blue, he's playing hide and seek with you. A prehistoric dance, give the happy plesiosaur a chance. Tiny little shells, a magical light, shining in the ocean so bright. It's on the golden sand, the oldest little dancers in all the land.
Bubbles 1, 2, and 3. Prehistoric friends are as happy.
The giant squid has arms so wide, taking us all on a bubbly, sparkly volcanoes in blue sea, shining for my friends and for me. Where did the cookie go?
Oh, the cookie jar is sitting way up high.
We want a treat beneath the sunny sky.
But look inside. Oh, where did it go? Let's solve the mystery. Come on, let's go. Mimi the kitty, did you take a bite?
She says it wasn't her, try as she might. Follow the crumbs along the playroom floor.
Is someone hiding by the playroom door?
Bubbles has a secret and a chocolate nose. He found the cookie, that's how the story goes. Don't you worry, there's plenty more to share. The mystery is solved, we're a happy pair. Wake up, Pip, the sun is bright and blue. Wiggle to the left and wiggle to the right. Wiggle to the left and wiggle to the right. Stretch your paws and shout a big Yahoo! Brush, brush, brush to make your fur so neat. Splashing water, oh what a bubbly treat. Sparkly teeth and a smile so wide and grand. Oh, dare, dare. Skip, skip, skip to find a yummy snack. One big nut to keep inside your pack. Wiggle to the left and wiggle to the right. Grab your bag, we're shining oh so bright. Friends are waiting, open up